हरे कृष्णा श्रेयश्री। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा माताजी.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so now we will chant Shishtashtakam. Okay, for the entire month of April, we will chant Shishtashtakam. चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहाद्वावाग्निर्वापणम् श्रेयः कैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दं बुद्धिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतास्वादनं सर्वत्नं स्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्णसङ्कीर्तनम् नामकारि बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमितः स्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशमिहा जनिनानुरागः प्रणादपि सुनीचेन तरोरपि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीया सदा हरि न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरी कविता वा जगदीश कामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवताद्भतिरहितुकी त्वयि हैनन्दतनुजा किङ्किरं पतितमाविशमे भवाम्बुधौ कृपया तव पादपङ्कजस्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तय नयनं गलदश्रुधारया वदनं गदगदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपु कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति युगायितं निमिषेण चक्षुषा प्रावृषायितं शून्यायितं जगत् सर्वगोविन्दविरहेण मे आश्लिष्य वापदरतां विनिष्टु माम् अदर्शनां महर्ता करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव न परः हरे कृष्णा हरे
Mataji, can I chant?
Who is that? Aditri?
Yes,
Yeah,
Mataji, can I
yeah,
chant?
Aditri. Then Gaurangi, I think, is going to do Kirtan. Yeah, start. 11 times. Yeah, Aditri, start.
Yes,
Jai Shri.
Mataji.
Yeah.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Yes, very nice, Aditri. Yeah, now I think Gaurangi and Nityangi are going to sing Narsimha prayer, right?
Mataji.
Yes, please start, beta. Shuru karo.
Singaya Radela Kedai Kalai Don't Singa Paraton Yato Yato Yamitato नरसिंह वाहि बाहृदये नरसिंह लक्ष्मी प्रपते तव कर कमल वरे नाथा अद्भुत दलिता हिरण्यकशिपु तनुजा केशवद्भीषण जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद प्रभुपदाय 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 जय प्रभुपदाय गुरुदेवाय गुरुदेवाय देवाय जय देवाय
निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैया की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। Thank you. Very nice, Nityangi. Very nice, Gaurangi. Good. Yeah. Chalo. Let us start now. Now, where are we going to start? We are going to start from Ramayana story. Yeah. 1 second. I just close it.
Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, you told na that in activity we have to prepare the story and send video.
No, you don't have to send video. We will have an event. We will have an event on this. Okay. You don't have to send a video. We will discuss about this in the end of the class now. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So we will start now. So last time you remember we discussed about what all things Ravana did in his past life, right? He attacked all the gods, and then he attacked Kuvera. He won the Pushpak Viman from Kuvera. Is it like a Vishpul Viman? Yeah. Then what does he do? He went to Vedavati. He was trying to harass Vedavati. Vedavati said, Vedavati cursed him that I will take birth again and become the reason for your death. Right? Then he went to Shivaloka. Shivaloka, he took Panga with Nandi. Then Shiva came, and then Shiva taught him a good lesson. When he tried to lift Kailash Parvat, Shiva pressed it with his leg down, and then his shoulders were paining, right? And then he said Shri Sukta prayers and all that, and then Samaved he spoke, and then Shiva became pleased, and then Shiva let him go, and also he gave him Pushpapati weapon. Yeah. So, and then later on, what did he do? He went to he attacked Earth. Earth mein he was trying to harass everyone. Then later on he meets Narad Muni. Then Narad Muni tells him, "Arey, what are you attacking Earth? You should take Panga with Yamraj. Go to Yamraj." And so he instigates him, and then he calls for a fight against Yamraj, and then Yamraj, he was about to kill him. Yamraj was about to award him death. But then Brahma at that point in time said that Brahma had given a boon. Brahma ne vardhan diya tha kisko? Ravana ko. What boon did he give? He said that you will not be killed by any god, you will not be killed by any demon. So he said, मुझे animals और humans से तो कोई डर नहीं है, उनको तो मैं वैसे ही manage कर लूँगा. But I should not be killed by any god or a demon. Demon matlab Rakshas. He gets that boon, right? This is all that we discussed, right? And then because Ravana was such a bad demon, gods were praying that they prayed to Brahma that please request Vishnu to take incarnate on this earth, and so that we can perform our sacrifices again. So then what happens is Lord Krishna, he incarnates as a human form, right? He tells, वो सब देवताओं को बोलते हैं that because Ravana has been given a boon that he will not be killed by a human and monkeys. You all appear on the earth as monkeys, big strong monkeys, and I will appear on the earth as a human being, as a normal human being. And that is how Ram, he appears on the earth as a son of Kaushalya. ये सब हमने देखा था last time, okay? तो ये this was a quick recap of what all we saw, what all we discussed last time. Okay, so I'm not covering Vishwamitra and all that. We have already discussed that. Otherwise, हमारी आगे की story होगी नहीं. ठीक है? Yeah. So this is, we also discussed that, Ram marrying Sita. ठीक है? All this we discussed last time. Abhi now we will start from थोड़ा और एक recap करते हैं. Okay. So what happens is when Ram becomes around 25-26 years of age, then King Dashrath, he decides. We discussed this, but still I will do a small recap. He decides that Abhi Dashrath now thinks of retiring, and now he wants to coronate Ram as the king. तो सबको बोल देते हैं कि now आज से अभी हम लोग I will retire, and now henceforth Ram will take over the charge of the kingdom, right? So then what happens? Then everywhere everyone is very happy because everyone loves Ram. Ram का नाम सुनते ही they all become so happy. They all just love Ram. So everyone is happy. Now you remember we discussed this, but only one person is not happy. Who was not happy? Manthara was not happy. Why was Manthara not happy? Because she was a best favorite maid servant of Kaikeyi. और अगर राम बन गया king, so then Kaikei's position will go down, and Kaushalya, because Ram was Kaushalya's son, तो Kaushalya की position ऊपर हो जाएगी. So Manthara thought that Ram should not become the king, Bharat should become the king, so that then Kaikeyi will get the the position that she is king's mother, and because Manthara is made of king's mother, Manthara ka position ऊपर हो जाएगा, right? So then that is why Manthara was very unhappy. So she came to Kaikeyi, and Kaikeyi she came to Kaikeyi and told her, Kaikeyi, do you know what is happening in this palace? She said, yes, Ram is getting coronated. I'm so happy that Ram will become the king. She said, are you a fool? Do you understand what you're talking? So she said, Arey, Ram is the rightful heir of that throne. Usko to usi ko raja banna chahiye. She said, no, Baba, you are not understanding. If Ram becomes the king, and the Kaushalya will become king's mother, and you will become Kaushalya's maid. Usko pura dimag ka, she poisons her brain. Okay, she puts all the nonsense things in her brain that you will become second graded. Tera aisa hoga, waisa hoga. Everything she poisons her. And then Kaikeyi, after some time, she starts believing, हाँ तू जो बोल रही है वो सही है. Then what she does is, Manthara tells us, take use of 2 boons, 2 वरदान जो आपको दशरथ महाराज ने दिए थे. Use those vardans and use those boons and ask Dashrath. What to ask Dashrath? That Bharat should be made the king, not Ram. And second boon she says is that Ram should be banished to the forest for 14 years. So Kaikeyi asks, see, I understand Bharat should be made the king, but why to banish Ram to forest for 14 years? Ram को क्यों भेजना है forest में? भरत राजा बन गया तो हो गया ना अपना काम. इसको क्यों भेजना है forest में? So she said, you're not understanding. Ram is very close to all the Ayodhya people. So even if Ram remains here, everyone will go and ask Ram. Bharat also will go and ask Ram. Therefore, it is better that Ram goes away for 14 years and people start liking Bharat. Ram goes to the forest for 14 years and people starts liking Bharat, and then once Bharat is settled, then there is no problem. She said, oh, you are right. She completely poisons Kaikeyi's brain. Okay. Then what happens? Then Dashrath Maharaj comes. Okay. Then next morning, what happens? Dashrath Maharaj comes. He's very happy that that Ram is going to be coronated as a king. He comes to Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi, where are you? And he is not able to find Kaikeyi. Then he searches everywhere. Then the maid tells that Kaikai is in the anger room. उनको जब भी गुस्सा आता है ना तो उनका अलग से room होता है, anger room. So Kaikai was in the anger room. She was lying on the floor. बाल पूरे खुले थे, सारे ornaments सारे इधर उधर बिखरे थे, and she was very angry, very angry. Then Dashrath Maharaj said, Kaikai, what happened? Why are you in such a position? Is everything okay? She said, how can everything be okay? Everything is not okay. So then she said, what happened? You tell me. So then she said, you remember you had given me 2 boons? आपको याद है आपने मुझे 2 वरदान दिए थे? Dashrath said, yes. So then I want to demand those 2 boons now. She said, okay, you want to demand? What happened? What boons do you want? And Dashrath is very happy because Ram is going to become the king. उसके सबसे प्यारा बेटा था राम. So he was very, very happy. He said, हाँ, आपको जो चाहिए मांगो. Yes, please ask. I will give you those boons. So she said, then listen carefully. Bharat should be made the king and not Ram. And that is the first boon. And the second boon is that Ram should be sent to forest for 14 years. Yeah, Hare Krishna?
Mataji, I can't hear.
You can't hear? Okay, I'll be little loud, okay? So he says that, so what does she say? Send Bharat to the forest for 14 years and send Ram to the forest for 14 years and Bharat should be made the king of Ayodhya. He said, what? Dashrath said, are you on your senses? Do you understand what you are saying? I mean, Ram is the eldest brother. उसी को राजा बनना चाहिए. अभी भरत कहाँ से आ गया बीच में से? So Ram should be made the king. Are you on your senses? Have you become mad or what? He said, no, I want to make Bharat as the king.
Mataji, I can't hear.
You all can't hear me?
Miss, we can hear you clearly.
Okay.
Mataji, I can hear you.
Okay. Everyone on mute. Okay, then Dashrath gets very unhappy. She said, no, Kaikai, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to Ram. Ram ne aapka kya bigada hai? You also like him so much and he is capable and he should become the king. So please don't do this. And she said, no. She's very stern. She's saying, no. Just make him the king. You have given me the boon and you should fulfill your promise. आपने मुझे promise दिया था और आपको promise रखना पड़ेगा. She said, he cried, he fell at her feet and he said, please don't do that. Please don't do that to Ram. So then he fainted. He begged her, please don't do this to Ram. You cannot do this to me. And then, but Kaikai was very stern. She did not listen to him. She said no. Then and then whole night they were just arguing, and then next day morning, and he fainted because Dashrath could not bear the shock that Ram will be sent to the forest for 14 years. He was not able to.
Excuse me, Mataji.
Yeah?
Mataji, I had an internet issue, Mataji.
So then what happened is, so because Dashrath was very, Dashrath was loving Ram very much and he was not able to live without Ram even for a moment. And what to say about 14 years? How can he live without Ram for 14 years? So he said, कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. And he was very, sad. He was entire night, he cried, he was aggrieved. He was trying to explain, Kaikai, don't do this. And in the morning, Samartha, Sumantra. So Sumantra came and Sumantra, one of his, chariot driver or one of his ministers, he came and he told Dashratha, he was very happy because bahar kisi ko pata nahi tha ki Kaikai ne ye sab bola. So he was very happy. So he said, sir, he paid obeisances to Dashrath and said, my dear Lord, all the preparations for Rama's coronation ceremony are done. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग राम को किंग बनाने का जो सारा प्रिपरेशन है सारा रेडी हो गया है. And then he saw कि बाप रे यहाँ तो एटमॉस्फेयर कुछ टेंशन वाला लगता है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. So then Kaikai told Sumantra, go and call Ram. So he said, okay, I'll call Ram. थोड़ा उसको भी लगा कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. So then they called Ram, and Ram came there, and then he saw his father, in such an aggrieved situation, and his father crying, very sad. He said, "Mother, what happened to father? Is everything okay? Have I done something wrong?" And Kaikeyi said, "See, Ram, your father had given me 2 boons, okay, and I am demanding that boons now." He said, "Okay, yeah." So she said that is a part of first boon. Bharat will become the king. You will not become the king. So she said, "Yeah, okay." He said, "And you will be sent to forest for 14 years." He said, "Okay, no problem." So Ram said, it is only this because of which father is so sad? There is no problem for me. I will give the kingdom. I have no interest in being the ruler of the kingdom. That is absolutely fine. Bharat can become the king, and I can go to the forest for 14 years. What is there in it? You could have just told me. Why did you tell father all this? आप अगर मुझे भी बोलते तो मैं चला जाता वैसे फॉरेस्ट में. फादर को बोलने का फिर इतना सारा ही इज इन सच एन एंजाइटी क्यों? आई कुड हैव जस्ट गॉन टू द फॉरेस्ट. So then Dashrath became very shocked. No, Ram, what are you doing? Why are you accepting such injustice? You are the rightful heir of the throne. You should become the king. This lady, she's gone mad. Don't listen to her. Revolt. Say that, this is not acceptable. Ram said, no, my dear father, you had given her 2 boons and she's demanding the boons. So you have never given up your word. आपने हमेशा आपका शब्द रखा है. So it is absolutely fine. I'll come back after 14 years. And there is no problem for me to go and stay in the forest. Dashrath said, "No, Ram, no, please understand. This is an injustice on you. This lady is such a cruel lady. She doesn't deserve to be my wife. She doesn't deserve to be your mother." So he cried and he begged Ram. Ram said, "No problem, my dear father. There is no. I can give up the kingdom and I can go and stay in the forest." Then Ram goes and meets Kaushalya. Okay, Kaushalya जो उसकी mother है. Ram goes and meets Kaushalya. So, and Kaushalya doesn't know all this. So Kaushalya is very happy. She was praying, she was doing her puja and all, and she was very happy. And suddenly Ram came there, and Ram paid obeisances to her mother, to his mother. And then Ram ne bola कि Ram told her that father and mother Kaikeyi, they want me to go to the forest for 14 years and Bharat will become the king. ऐसे उसने बोला कौशल्या को. Kaushalya was shocked to know, Ram, what is this? I mean, first of all, तो कौशल्या को बहुत साल तक.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा तिथि. Yeah, so then what happened is, she was very upset. She said, "ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? How can Kaikeyi do like this?" I knew she would play some such games like this. She was very, 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 very upset with all this. She said, "No, I cannot live without you. I will come to the forest with you. I cannot stay without you." Then Ram explained her, see that I need to go to the forest, but you at such times should be with your father, right? अभी Dashrath liked Kaikeyi the most, and Dashrath liked Kaikeyi the most, but and Kaushalya, वो तो first queen थी, सबसे eldest queen थी. So Kaushalya ideally should get all the honor of being the the eldest queen, but because Dashrath liked Kaikeyi the most, so Dashrath sometimes he used to ignore Kaushalya. So just let me finish this part, okay, Tithi? Then I will talk with you. Right? So then he said, Ram said to Kaushalya, "See, our father needs you now the most." ठीक है? अगर ये situation में आप उनके साथ नहीं रहोगे, तो वो he will not be able to live. तो अगर आप अगर मेरे साथ आओगे, तो उनके साथ कौन रहेगा? Because now he doesn't like Kaikeyi, because Kaikeyi has Kaikeyi ने तो धोखा दिया था उनको. So he said that this point in time you should be with Dashrath. Otherwise who will be there with our father? तो उन्होंने कौशल्या को ऐसे समझाया. Then Kaushalya cried, and then Kaushalya agreed. Then he went and told Sita, Sita, see, my father has told me that I should go to the forest for 14 years. Then Sita first got a shock. What? Forest for 14 years? And they said, so I am going to the forest. She said, no, you cannot go alone. I am going to come with you. So Sita said that, duty of the wife is always to be with her husband, right? तो आप अकेले नहीं जा सकते, मैं तो आपके साथ आऊंगी. So Ram tried to explain her, see, in the forest there are ferocious animals, right? And you will not get good food. We will have to stay on roots, fruits, leaves, ऐसे सब खाना पड़ेगा. So then there will be big problem for us. तो हम लोग वैसे नहीं, अब हम लोग, you will not be able to stay like that. And वहाँ पे अच्छा बेड नहीं होगा to sleep, comforts नहीं होंगे. So you please stay here. I will go and I'll come back after 14 years. She said, no. Wherever you are going, I am going to be with you. You cannot leave me alone. How can you even think of leaving me alone? Right? So then Ram said, okay, if you want to come, then that is okay. But so then they decide that Ram and Sita both will go to the forest. Then they meet Lakshman. Lakshman gets very angry when he hears कि Ram is not going to become the king. उसको तो पहले भी गुस्सा वाला होता है वो. उसको तो इतना गुस्सा आता है. ऐसे कैसे कहीं कुछ भी बोलती है, और then we listen to her. This is completely wrong. This is all injustice. ये सब नहीं चलेगा. We should wage a war against them. ऐसे एकदम उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. So Ram says, no, please. Ram pacifies him. That no, it is not like that. See, father had given her word to Mother Kaikeyi. We should follow her word. We should not disobey our parents, right? So he pacifies him and he says that you stay here. So then Lakshman says, I will also come with you. Then Ram says, no, you please stay here, because if you also come, then who will take care of our mothers? They also need someone to take care of them. Dashrath also needs someone to take care of him. Then Lakshman says, no, I will come with you. Bharat is there. Bharat will take care of our mothers, and Bharat will take care of the kingdom also. So then Lakshman, but he says that, Urmila is also there. You recently married. So, then Ram says, then Lakshman says, no, I will come with you. I will serve you. I will bring food for you. I will arrange your bed. Whatever you need, I will help you in all the things that you need to stay in the forest. So please let me come. Please let me come. Then Ram says, okay, you also come. So then Ram, Lakshman and Sita, they all three decide to go to the forest. Yeah. Then Urmila is Lakshman's wife. She said, I also will come with you. I am your wife. I cannot stay alone. So then Lakshman says that if you come with me, then I will not be able to serve Lord Ram nicely. So that is why you don't come. So we three of us only will go. So then Urmila also becomes very upset. She becomes very unhappy. And then eventually Ram, Lakshman and Sita, they decide to go to the forest. So then they give up their royal robes. उनका royal जो dress होता है, वो change करके they wear a normal dress and they get ready to go to the forest. Then all the people in Ayodhya, they become so sad that Ram, Lakshman, Sita, they are going to the forest. Ek din pehle, everyone was so happy that Ram is going to become the king. And suddenly next day, everyone is so sad that suddenly now Ram is not only going to leave his throne, but he is also going to be sent to the forest, not for few days, but he is going to be sent to the forest for 14 years, right? A royal prince who suddenly बोल दिया है कि everyone is very unhappy. And then Sumantra, he rides the chariot.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, so, yeah, Titi, 2 minutes. He rides the chariot, okay? And then what happens is, everyone follows the chariot. सब लोग chariot चल रहा होता है, and then everyone follows the chariot. सबको किसी को भी राम को छोड़ना नहीं होता है. Everyone is going behind the chariot. Dashrath also is following the chariot, and Dashrath is stopping Ram. Ram, please don't go, Ram. Please don't go, Ram. We will all come with you. So then Ram says, अगर हम लोग सभी गए तो फिर यहाँ पे कौन रहेगा अयोध्या में, right? So we all cannot go. So he said, okay, we will set up new Ayodhya in the forest. But please let all of us will come with you. So he said, अगर नया अयोध्या हमने forest में बनाया, so then you will not be able to keep your promise, wherein you've told Kaikeyi that I will be exiled to the forest. Then that forest will no longer be a forest, right? So please, Ram tells Dashrath, please, please let me go. So then Ram, but then even then the Rath they're riding it slowly and Dashrath is walking behind it. Then Ram tells Sumantra, the chariot driver hai, Ram tells Sumantra that, please drive fast. So, and Dashrath tells Sumantra, no, don't drive fast. Now Sumantra gets confused. Ram ka sunu ke Dashrath ka sunu. So then Ram tells, see, Sumantra, you have to ride fast. Otherwise, people will keep on following us. And then we will not be able to keep our promise of going to the forest for 14 years. So then he said, please drive fast. And then he rides fast. And then Dashrath is running behind the chariot. Bhag rahe wo. Ram, don't go. Ram, please don't go. The chariot bhagta hai. And then everyone is observing. All the people of Ayodhya are observing. कि इधर रथ आगे जा रहा है, दशरथ महाराज पीछे भाग रहे हैं, बीच में दशरथ महाराज गिर जाते हैं. And then everyone is crying. All the Ayodhyawasis are crying that Ram is going, and see what a difficult situation everyone is, this Kaikeyi has got into. And then Ram eventually he vanishes into the forest in his chariot. Then what happens is, in the night, everyone brings Dashrath back home. Dashrath is not able to bear the pain of separation from Ram. उसको बहुत दुख होता है. And in the night, Ram करते in the night, when everyone wakes up in the morning, in the mid of the night, he leaves his body. Right? He is not able to bear the separation from Lord Ram. Right? So some learnings from this story is, see, impact of bad association. Why did all this thing happen? Because Kaikeyi's mind was made poisonous by Manthara. We have to be very, very careful in our lives. If someone is going to, if someone is telling us to do a wrong thing, right? And whenever we get confused कि ये बात सही है या गलत है, we should seek guidance from our elders. We should talk with our parents. Don't take your own decision when you are confused whether this thing is right or wrong. Okay? Always remember in life, all these pastimes जो कृष्ण भगवान या राम जो भी है in these different incarnations, जो भी pastimes होते हैं उससे बहुत हमें सीख मिलती है. These pastimes we have to remember, we have to read and understand the lessons from these pastimes, and we have to implement the lessons in our day-to-day life. Right? We should ensure that there is no mantra in our life who will distract us from doing wrong things. Right? And even if so, in everyone's life there is a mantra, there is someone who distracts us, जो हमको गलत चीज करने के लिए मोटिवेट करता है, लेकिन वो मंत्रा को हमको encourage नहीं करना है. हमारी लाइफ में जो मंत्रा होगी हमको उसका नहीं सुनना है. ओके? और हम अगर कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं तो then we should talk with our parents, talk with elders, talk with our guru, talk with our teacher and seek guidance. Okay? Thumbs up everyone. Agree?
Mataji?
Yes, 2 minutes to ask questions. Yeah, Titi, you had a question, no? What were you asking?
Mataji, why did Kaikeyi told Dashrath to send Ram for 14 years?
क्योंकि अगर राम वहां पे रहता तो see, Ayodhyawasis used to love Ram, right? So if राम वहां पे रहता तो अयोध्यावासी कभी भी राम को रिस्पेक्ट देते, भरत को नहीं देते. और भरत also used to love Ram. So भरत in spite of being the king वो हमेशा राम के पास जाता था गाइडेंस के लिए. अगर भरत सामने ही नहीं रहेगा तो ना अयोध्यावासी को वो दिखेगा, ना वो भरत को दिखेगा, एंड भरत का पोजीशन स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा. इसके लिए कैके टोल्ड राम to go to forest for 14 years.
Ma'am, why did Kaikai only say 14 years? Couldn't be 13, 10?
So she thought 14 years would be sufficient. तो इसके लिए उसने 14 years बोला. हमको कभी कभी लगता है ना 10 मिनट में होकर हम काम कर लेंगे, तो why not 11, why not 13, वैसा. Okay.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, but how we will know that in our life who is the mantra?
So how we will know is that you should always see that this thing, whatever activity we do, whether it is going to please Krishna or not. So for example, I'll tell you an example, okay? Somebody is inviting you for a disco party. Okay, now if you go to disco party, what will happen? You will get distracted. You will do bad things there, right? लेकिन आपको अगर कोई बोलेगा नहीं नहीं तू चल डिस्को पार्टी में, अरे सारे जाते हैं, बहुत मजा आता है, सभी लोग जाते हैं, but what will happen is you will get distracted, you will not chant your rounds, you will not eat prasad, your mind will get contaminated. So will Krishna like it?
No, Mataji.
I will not like it. So such people who distract us to do things away from Krishna are mantras in our life. Okay? एक वही सिंपल सा टेस्ट है. अगर मैं वॉट एवर एक्टिविटी आई डू, विल कृष्णा लाइक इट, विल कृष्णा नॉट लाइक इट, इज इट गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट मी अवे फ्रॉम कृष्णा? अगर वो मुझे कृष्णा के
Mataji.
नहीं करना.
Mataji.
क्या दक्षिता?
The bad mantras and good mantras, what are the difference?
There is always a bad mantra. Okay.
And what is the good mantra difference?
Good mantra, abhi, this is a story. Basically, this is a pastime which Lord has told us that. So everyone here, okay, so now you have to understand, okay, everyone here is acting on the will of the God, right, to teach us some lessons in our life. Okay. So Dakshita, there is no good mantra and bad mantra. There is mantra who acted in a wrong way, because for her, she was a selfish person. She did not have Ram as a, just 1 second, 1 second, my battery has gone, 1 second. Yes. Yes. So there is nothing like good mantra and bad mantra. Okay.
Mataji.
Yes. Last question. Yes.
Mataji, means but till 14 years, Ram will become the Bharat will get trained that. But when that Bharat will get trained that yes, I have to not take decisions from anyone, means not from Ram, but when Ram came back after 14 years, who ruled the Ayodhya?
Ram only ruled Ayodhya because Bharat had no interest in ruling the kingdom. Ram only ruled Ayodhya after he came back.
But Ram also did not have the interest, right?
Yes, but somebody has to become the king, no? And see, they are not selfish kings. Why do they become kings? Because they have to take care of the entire, basically of the citizens of their kingdom, right? So somebody has to rule. Otherwise, what will happen? Thieves will be there, rogues will be there, religious things will not happen, right? And some rogue will become the king, and then entire city, entire country, or entire earth there will be chaos on the earth. So there has to be a good king, no? अगर king नहीं रहेगा तो पूरा chaos हो जाएगा.
Mataji, but the two more brothers can also be the king, no?
Yes, they can also become the king, but as per the rule, the eldest boy becomes the king.
Okay.
Then अगर eldest नहीं रहेगा तो next eldest becomes the king. And they can also decide कि okay, we divide the kingdom into 4 parts and you can rule some, different parts you can rule.
Mataji,
Yeah?
you can only become the Bharat could only become the king if Rama was dead. If Rama was still alive, then Bharat did not have the right to become a king.
Yes, exactly. But and if Ram voluntarily says कि I don't want to become the king, then Bharat can become the king.
He can, but he does not have the original right. He has a right, but not.
Original right is Ram's right. He has to become the king.
Yes, he
That
does
is
not
what-
have the official right.
Ram has the official right to become the king. Bharat doesn't have the official right to become the king. Yeah? ठीक है. Let's move on. Yeah, chalo. Yes, and see the same things learning from Ram. So let us see few qualities of Ram, right?
राम भगवान का है टीवी बंद करो जाओ.
So see, Ram had no desire to rule the kingdom. जब भी कैकेयी उनको बोलती है कि you have to go to the forest for 14 years and Bharat will become the king. Ram says, okay, इतना ही है ना, तो मैं तो चला जाऊंगा. So Ram has no desire कि नहीं, मैं तो राजा बनने वाला था और अभी तो मेरा पूरा राज्य ले लिया. That is not what Ram is thinking. He said, okay, he's very humble and very obedient son of his parents, right? Similarly, in our lives also, we should learn from qualities of Ram, and we should implement those qualities in our day-to-day life. Okay? So let's move on. Then what happens? Okay, we left here. Okay, so Ram is now has gone to the forest, right? All the Ayodhya Vasis are following him, and then eventually he reaches bank of Ganga, and then he tells Sumantra, now you leave me here and I will go alone. We will all go, otherwise we will not be able to fulfill the wish of Kaikeyi that I have to stay in the forest. Okay? So then he goes, they cross the river Ganga, they meet Agastya Rishi, and Agastya Rishi says that why don't you go and stay in Chitrakoot? Okay, Chitrakoot मतलब नाशिक है ना अपना महाराष्ट्र में, right? So then they say, why don't you go and stay in Chitrakoot? It's a nice place to stay. So then Ram and Lakshman and Sita, they said, okay, we will go and stay in Chitrakoot. So then they go to Chitrakoot. Meanwhile, what happens is when Dasharatha dies, Bharat comes back. Okay, and Bharat when he comes back, he doesn't understand that Bharat had gone to his maternal uncle's place. Bharat and Shatrughna, they were not at in Ayodhya. Then they come back and then they see, "Acha, itna to shant kyun hai Ayodhya? Why is Ayodhya looking so sad?" And when they come, then they see. Then he comes to his mother and then he asks, "Mother, where is father?" Then एक second, let me finish this part. Then we will talk for 2 minutes. Then then Kaikeyi tells him that your father is no more. Your father has gone to another world. Your father is dead, and now you will become the king. She's very happily telling, now you will become the king. And Ram has gone to forest for 14 years. Bharat got a shock of his life. What? What are you saying? Father is no more, and Ram has gone to forest for 14 years. He said, yes. You know what? I had 2 boons, and I told Dasharath that that Bharat should be made the king, and Ram should go for forest for 14 years. She's very happy. But that when Bharat hears this, Bharat also will be very happy. So then she said, I don't believe what has happened. Mother, you have done all this? Are you a mother or a murderer? You have killed my father and you have sent my brother whom I love the most. You have sent him to the forest for 14 years. You know, I mean, I can't believe that you have done this. So then he becomes very angry on his mother. He said, Mother, you don't what? Are you one crazy? So then he said, I cannot stay here. I'm going to bring my brother back. And then Kaikeyi realizes that, you know, in spite of that, she thinks that, you know, Bharat will be very happy that he's become the king. And then she realizes, then she comes to her senses. तभी उसको समझ में आता है कि उसने कितनी बड़ी गलती की. अभी जब भी उसको समझ में आता है, by that time she had lost her husband, she had lost Ram, the sense of, and she had lost respect from all the Ayodhya Vasis, right? And then she realized, oh my God. I will go to the forest. We will all go to the forest and bring our brother Ram back. Yeah, then what happens is they all the mothers, three mothers and Bharat and Bharat takes entire उसकी बहुत बड़ी सेना लेके they go to meet Ram. कहाँ जाते हैं? चित्रकूट में जाते हैं राम से मिलने. And when और जब ना वो बहुत बड़ी सेना लेके जाते हैं और तो फिर लक्ष्मण देखता है ऊपर से झाड़ पे से चढ़ के कि इतनी बड़ी सेना भरत लेके आ रहा है. तो लक्ष्मण को लगता है ये हम पे अटैक करने के लिए आया है. अभी पूरा किंगडम भी ले लिया and still he is not satisfied and now he is going to attack us. Bharat gets Lakshman gets very angry, and then Lakshman says that see Ram, Bharat has come to attack us. Ram says, cool down my dear brother, let us see what he has to say, right? So Bharat cools down Ram cools down Lakshman, and then Bharat comes and he falls at the feet of Ram, and Ram picks him up, and the Bharat cries a lot, and then Ram says, how is our father, my dear brother? And then Bharat tells him what all had happened. He says, my dear brother Ram, father is no more. He has left all of us. He was crying till his last breath. He was taking your name. He was crying, and then he left the body. So then Ram was shocked to see that, to know that their father is no more. Ram faints, he falls on the ground, and then after some time, Ram regains consciousness, and then they all the three brothers, Ram, Lakshman, Bharat, they go to Mandakini river and they offer water to their father, and they pray to Lord that they pray to the Lord for their father, and then Ram tells Bharat, my dear Bharat, now please go back to Ayodhya. Bharat says, no, I cannot go alone. I am going to take you along. I cannot go, brother. Brother, please come. We cannot stay without you. So then Ram says, no, see, I have to follow order of my father. My father has told me to be in the forest for 14 years. So I have to follow order of my father. And if I do not follow that, he will not get peace. So then he tells Bharat, come, he requests him, please come. But Ram says, no. Then Bharat says, what you do is, my dear brother, you give me your sandals and I will place the sandals on the throne and I will worship them every day. So it will be like कि throne पे राम खुद ही बैठे हैं और खुद ही राज कर रहे हैं. So I will place those sandals on the throne and I will rule the kingdom for 14 years. And please, once you come back, then you can, you can take charge of the throne. और फिर भरत जाता है based on the orders of Rama. He goes there, and what happens is Bharat he doesn't wear a royal dress. He wears a very normal dress like Ram and Lakshman, or Ram ki sandals. So he keeps it on the throne, prays it every day, and rules the kingdom on behalf of his brother. So that is how what happens. You can see the Bharat keeps Ram's sandals on the throne and worships it. Yeah. So let us see qualities of Bharat. You see, Bharat loves Ram unconditionally and selflessly. Bharat's desire was to do anything and everything for Ram. Ram jo bolenge, wo Bharat karenge. Right? That was his love. It was not a selfish love. It was unconditional love. He had completely surrendered to Lord Ram. Bharat had no desire to rule the kingdom, but his desire was only to serve Ram. These qualities of these personalities, we should learn from them, right? And we should follow them. We should also love Krishna, Ram in such a selfless way. ऐसे नहीं है कि डील करेंगे कि आप मुझे, मैं ना आपके लिए 10 राउंड करूंगा, 10 राउंड चैंटिंग करूंगा, आप मुझे ना ये देना. No, our love towards the Lord should be unconditional, like our parents love us unconditionally. Krishna also loves us unconditionally. Similar, our love for Krishna also should be unconditional, should be selfless, right? Okay, everyone agree with me? Show me thumbs up. Yes, very nice. Very good.
Mataji.
Yeah. It's 2 minutes for questions. Yes, Ram?
Can I ask?
Yes, yes, ask us.
Mataji,
एक second, let Ram ask, then Shreyasi you ask.
Mataji, the Kaikai take the 2 Vardhan for Bharat, right? So Mataji, Bharat, मतलब वो भरत तो नहीं चाहता था कि वो किंग बने, बट स्टिल वो जो कैकई है उसने ऐसा क्यों वरदान मांगा?
इसका वरदान मांगा क्योंकि वो मंथरा के ट्रैप में फंस गई. मंथरा ने उसको पट्टी पढ़ाई. ओके, मंथरा ने उसको पट्टी पढ़ाई कि तू अगर राम अगर राजा बन जाता है तो तेरा पोजीशन एकदम डाउन हो जाएगा, कौशल्या का पोजीशन बढ़ जाएगा, तो तू तो कौशल्या की तो मेड बन जाएगी, उसकी तो नौकरानी बन जाएगी. तो उसको डर लगता है, उसको लगता है कि हाँ जो है, जो मंथरा बोल रही है वो सही बोल रही है. ठीक है, तो मंथरा, इसके लिए हमको बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि अगर हमको कोई कुछ बोलता है तो वो बराबर बोलता है, उसका सुनने का कि नहीं सुनने का. अगर जो मंथरा ने कैकेयी को बोला, अगर कैकेयी किसी के साथ बात करती, वशिष्ठ ऋषि के साथ बात करती, दशरथ के साथ बात करती कि ऐसा होगा क्या, तो उसको कोई समझाता, लेकिन उसको तो उसने बात ही नहीं किया. उसने इसको कुछ उसके कान भर दिए और इसने उस पर एक्ट कर दिया. इसके लिए पूरा रामायण मतलब पूरा प्रॉब्लम हो गया.
ओके माताजी.
आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हुआ?
यस.
रुजुता मावशी, मला एक क्वेश्चन आहे.
हाँ बोल ना अर्णव.
रुजुता मावशी, जेव्हा म्हणजे कैकेयी जेव्हा सेन्सेस वर आलेली तेव्हा मग कैकेयीने काय नाही सांगितलं रामाला परत यायला. मग आता कोणाचीच डिझायर नव्हती रामला फॉरेस्ट मध्ये यायला.
पण काय झालं की जेव्हा एक राजा आहे ना, जेव्हा तो त्याचा शब्द देतो, राईट, तो त्याचा शब्द सगळेजण पाळतात. आता तो राजा राहिला नाही, म्हणजे दशरथने कैकेयीला शब्द दिला, राईट, की तू जे मागशील ते मी फुलफिल करेन, असं त्यांनी तिला प्रॉमिस केलं आणि कैकेयीने ते मागितलं. आता कैकेयीने ते मागितल्यावरती दशरथाचं काम होतं टू फुलफिल हर डिझायर, राईट, आणि to honor the words of his father. Ram did not go back from the forest because then then it will be like his father did not keep his words.
पण मग कैकेयीने मग दशरथने असं का नाही केलं की भरत शुड बी द किंग ना? मग
भरत द किंग बनवायला पण तो सी बेसिकली काय आहे की ऍज पर राईट राम शुड बिकम द किंग, राईट. आपण हिने सांगितलं की भरतला किंग बनवू. दशरथने ते पण ऐकलं असतं की ठीक आहे चल भरतला किंग बनवू देत, पण अजून तिने काय मागितलं, शी सेड दॅट राम शुड बी सेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट फॉर 14 years. दॅट पेन दशरथ वॉज नॉट एबल टू बिअर.
ओके, पण भरत किंग बनायला पाहिजे ना. द किंग गिव्ह द वर्ड, राईट.
हो, पण भरतच तयारच नव्हता स्वतःच किंग बनायला. Right, you are right. So what happened is, for 14 years, Bharat was ruling the kingdom, but on behalf of Ram, because Bharat himself was not ready. Bharat said, "No, I am not going to become the king." So that was choice exercised by Bharat not to become the king. Even here in case of Ram, it was choice exercised by Ram that he will not go back to the kingdom in spite of Kaikai telling him to come back to the kingdom, because he wanted to keep words of his father. Right? Everyone has his own choice which he can follow.
कळलं. Thank you.
Mataji,
Yeah, last question. Huh?
Mataji, I had a question. Means I wanted to ask that means after काही म्हणजे जेव्हा तिला सेन्सेस आले तेव्हा मग सर्व ते म्हणजे तिला आवडायचे की मग की म्हणजे तिला म्हणजे नाही आवडायचे सर्व.
Everyone was respecting her, everyone was disrespecting her. Is that your question?
Yes.
By default, she was the queen. In the sense, she was the former queen of Ayodhya. So from that position, everyone was respecting her. But there is a difference between a love and a respect, right? So,
But I am asking about love.
no, people will not love her, no. Because of her, Ram went to the forest. Because of her, Ram had to bear all the pain. That is what everyone thinks, right? So people will respect her because of her position, but people will not love her. So we should be very, very careful. See, people will forgive her. See, people will not punish her. But people have it deep inside their heart, because people were loving Ram so much, right? People had a deep inside the pain in the heart that because of this lady, Ram had to go. So that love definitely will not be there as much they would love Kaushalya. Right?
Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, so let's move on. So then what happens is, now the story of Shurpanakha. So now Ram, Lakshman and Sita, they are staying in the forest. Okay. Now, in the forest, there was a demoness, Rakshasi thi, uska naam tha Shurpanakha. Now this Shurpanakha, they were staying in the forest, and this Shurpanakha, she saw Ram. She said, wow, what a handsome person. I want to marry Ram. He's so handsome. She just likes Ram. And then what happens is this Shurpanakha, she changes her, she disguises into a beautiful lady. And she comes to Ram and she says, Ram, she said, wow, oh handsome man. She doesn't know that he's Ram. She said, oh handsome man, will you marry me? Then Ram laughed and he said, see, my dear lady, see, I am already married to this lady, so I cannot marry you, but you can marry my brother Lakshman. Okay, so Lakshman looked at Ram. He also smiled and he said, now your problem you're depositing at my end. So then Lakshman, then she went to Lakshman and she said, oh handsome person, will you marry me? So Lakshman said, see, I am servant of Ram. Why do you want to marry servant? Might as well you marry the master. Okay, so they are all, Ram and Lakshman, they are all playing games. So then Lakshman, so then she understood, Ram is telling this, Lakshman is telling this, and both of them don't want to marry me. I am so beautiful, but both of them don't want to marry me. She becomes very angry, very angry. I understand the reason of both of you not marrying me is this lady Sita. I am going to eat her. And then she tries to jump on Sita. And as she's jumping on Sita, what does Lakshman do? Lakshman cuts her nose. Okay. So, and then she cries that her nose is cut. And this happened in Chitrakoot. That is when Nashik is called Nasik. Okay. Now you know why Nashik is called Nasik? Because no nose.
Oh, Mataji.
Right. So then she feels very insulted. Shurpanakha feels very, very insulted. And then she cries. Then she calls her brothers. Okay, वहाँ पे 2 और राक्षस होते हैं, उसके भाई होते हैं. She calls them और उनको बोलती है कि see, attack them. They have cut my nose. और राम और लक्ष्मण वो दोनों उनके भाइयों को भी मार देते हैं. Then she understands, my God, ये राम and Lakshman, they are very powerful. So अभी कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Then what she does is, she goes to Ravana. Okay, she says only now Ravana can take revenge against Ram. She goes to Ravana and she tells Ravana, Acha, एक second. Okay, I'll cover this later. She goes to Ravana and she tells Ravana, "Oh Ravana, see what Ram has done to me. Ram has that very beautiful, lady with her. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. She ideally should become your wife. You should enjoy her. And she's in the forest with that Ram. And that Ram, see what he did to me. You should take revenge against that Ram. Now Ravan is very fond of ladies. Okay." And that is why we saw, earlier every lady used to curse him for some or the other reason. And Ravan said, "Oh, acha, there is a beautiful lady with Ram. I should enjoy her. Yes, yes, yes. Good, you told me this. I will go and kill that Ram. He is what, a just normal human being. What is there to kill him? I'll kill him." He calls his, uh, minister Maricha. Maricha करके एक demon है. He calls him and he tells him that, Maricha, come here. So Maricha says, "Yes, my dear sir, what is the order for me?" So he says, "See, in the forest of Chitrakoot, there is a person called Ram. Okay, you kill him and we will bring Sita here." He said, "What, Ram? You're going to kill Ram?" So when Vishwamitra was there, no, you remember the story of Vishwamitra when Ram was protecting the arena of sacrifice. There was this Maricha had come there and Ram had shot an arrow towards Maricha. लेकिन तभी Maricha मरा नहीं था. वो arrow उसको लगा और वो इतना दूर गया. He went thousand kilometers away and that he fell that far. Okay, so Maricha knew Ram's power. Maricha told he told Ravan, "Baba, don't take panga with him. He is a super powerful person. You don't underestimate him. It is not easy to bring Sita towards us. Don't take panga with that person." He said, what are you saying? Either you get killed, I will kill you, or you follow order. Okay, that is what Ravan says. So then Maricha says, "I am telling you, Baba, don't take panga with that Ram. He is very powerful. I have seen him how powerful he is." So Ravan further gets angry. Do you want me to kill you? Either you get killed or follow my order." Then Maricha thinks it is better to be killed by Ram rather than be killed by this Ravana. Okay. Then Maricha goes to Chitrakoot forest. He takes a beautiful form of a golden deer. Okay. And then जहाँ पे ये लोग रहते थे ना, Ram, Lakshman, Ravan. So Maricha, what he did is he was hovering around that place, as in a very golden, beautiful form. Okay. इतना attractive form था that when Sita looked at it, wow, what a wonderful deer. Then she said, Ram, I want that deer. Can you please get that deer to me? Ram said, "Sita, why do you want a deer?" No, Ram, I want it. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I want that deer." So then Ram said, "Okay." Lakshman warned him, "Ram, see, that deer could be a demon, huh? So be careful." So Ram said, "See, even if he's a demon, I will kill him. Or if he's not a demon, we'll get a deer." So Ram says, "Okay." So then what happens is Ram says, "Okay, I will get the deer." He tells Lakshman, "Please take care of Sita and don't let Sita go out anywhere. Okay, please take care of Sita." Then Ram goes, and as Ram starts, goes to catch the deer starts running very fast, very fast, very fast. And the deer is running in the forest. He goes deep into the forest and Ram is chasing him. Okay, deep into the forest, far away from the place where they stay. And then Ram understands, he is not a normal deer, he is a demon. Ram understands that. Then he shoots an arrow, he shoots an arrow to this golden deer. And Maricha, this Rakshasa, he reveals his form. He comes as a Rakshasa. लेकिन रावण ने उसको बोला होता है कि अगर राम ने तेरे को मारा, you shout सीता लक्ष्मण सेव मी. ठीक है, ये रावण ने उसको बोला हुआ होता है. So same thing he shouts. So when तभी उसको arrow लगता है, when Ram shoots an arrow towards Maricha shouts, "Sita, Lakshman, help, help" करके वो shout करता है, and then he gives up his body. Okay, now Sita here is scared. What happened to Ram? What happened? Why is Ram saying like this? "Sita, Lakshman, help." So then he becomes very scared. Sita becomes very scared. She tells Lakshman, Lakshman, see Ram is in danger. Please go and help Ram. Please go and help Ram. Lakshman is chill. Lakshman ekdam cool hai. Lakshman says, see, Sita Devi, nothing will happen to Ram. Ram is super powerful and no one can.
Unless he says that वो कोई मायावी हिरण जाएगा.
Oh my, right. So he said, so Lakshman says that don't worry, Sita Mata, there is no problem. Ram is super powerful. Sita says, no, he cried. He was asking for help. Please go and help him. Lakshman says, no, dear Sita, no, Sita Mata, don't worry. Then Sita becomes very angry that, Ram is calling for help and Lakshman doesn't want to go. Sita says, I know that you wanted to marry me. That is why you're not going. I know this is part of your plan only and you were waiting for this moment. She curses Lakshman like anything. Lakshman says, no, mother Sita, I have. So Lakshman is so committed to, Sita as a servant that उसने उसका बस पैर देखा होता है, उसने देखा भी नहीं होता है कि सीता माता कैसी दिखती है. Okay, he has always seen her feet. He has never seen her face. So that is how, he was committed to her. So he says, so she says, Nahi, you wanted to marry me. That is why you put my husband Ram into such a trouble. So then Lakshman says, oh my God, what do I do? She said, now if you don't go, you have to go. You have to go. So then Lakshman says, okay, I'll do one thing. See, I am drawing this magic circle around this hut. Okay. Please, 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 at any cost, do not cross this circle. If you cross this magic circle, you will put yourself in a big danger. So Sita says, yes, I will not cross that circle, but please go, quickly go, Lakshman, please go. So then Lakshman says, okay, I'm going. And then Lakshman goes. Now Sita is alone, no one around her. She's alone in the forest, in that hut. What happens after that? Ravan is hiding and seeing all that what is happening. Okay, and then Ravan says, now no one is around, I will go now. Now Ravan disguises, वो sage, वो एक ऋषि मुनि का, he disguises as a ऋषि मुनि और वो जाता है सीता के पास and सीता को बोलता है भिक्षाम देहि, मतलब माता मुझे भिक्षा दो. Sita comes and Sita sees this ऋषि sage, तो उसको बोलती है. Then उसको देख के तो wow, Ravana says, wow, what a beautiful lady you are. My dear beautiful lady, what are you doing in this forest? Why are you sitting here? Come to, he doesn't say come to Lanka. He says, what are you doing here? So she said, Sita says, see, she tells us, I am wife of Lord Ram, who was going to be coronated as king of Ayodhya. So Sita tells all that. And so he says that, but you are staying here alone and all that. So, but he says, now please give me some bhiksha. And she tries to give her the bhiksha. So she doesn't cross the line. But, he says, this is completely insulting that, you are not giving me bhiksha. Please cross the...
Rishi is the Raman, na?
Sorry? Yes, Rishi is the Ravana. Yes, you are right. Yeah. So then she said, this is very insulting that, you are not crossing the line and, you are not coming and giving me the bhiksha properly. Then Sita thinks, that is also right. I will give him properly. As soon as she crosses the line, and for that she had to cross the line because he was trying to cross the line. Ravan was going to cross the line. He realized, Arey Bapre, there is some problem here. He could feel the heat and he was not able to cross the line. So he asked Sita that, you come and give me the bhiksha because this is not proper. You are not giving proper respect to a sage. So then Sita says, okay, she carries the bhiksha and she crosses the line. As soon as she crosses the line, Ravan catches her. He reveals her identity as Ravana, big, huge demon. He reveals his identity. He catches hold of Sita and he puts her in the Pushpak Viman and he tries to take her away. Sita was shocked. What did I do? Why did I cross the line? She cries for help. Ram, Lakshman, please help, please help. But no one was around. They were all very far away. Ram was very far. Lakshman was very far. They were not able to hear Sita's cries. Sita was crying. She was telling the trees, my dear trees, please help me. She was pleading to the animals, please help me, please help me. But animals, everyone was scared of Ravan. No one was able to help her. Sita was crying. Please, she was dropping her ornaments down. Please tell Ram where I have gone. Please tell Ram that this demon had captured me. So she was telling all the trees, she was telling all the animals. Then, then she saw Jatayu. Okay, Jatayu was a big vulture. Now this vulture, then she called Jatayu, Jatayu, please help. No, he was a very old vulture. He was like 60,000 years old vulture. He did not have that strength क्योंकि वो बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया था. He did not have strength. He saw सीता माई को कोई तो किडनैप करके लेके जा रहा है. He immediately got up and immediately attacked Ravana. Okay, अभी उसके पास इतना strength नहीं था. But looking at that, somebody is taking away Sita Mai, he attacked Ravana. उसने उसको बहुत फाइट किया. उसने उसके बाल नोचे. उसने एकदम बिल्कुल इतना जोरों शोरों से फाइट किया. उसके पूरे हाथ निचोड़ दिए. Okay, 20 arms he had. He pulled out the arms. But Ravana was given the boon. Whenever his arms goes out, again new arms came up. Ravana was very, very powerful. And Jatayu was giving a tough fight to Ravana. 1 hour they were fighting. Okay, now just imagine Ravana was so powerful and Jatayu was very old. But Jatayu was giving tough fight to Ravana. And he was snatching his hair. He was, whatever he could do, he was trying to help Sita. But eventually he became very weak. He became very tired. And then in the end, Ravana cut his one wing. And Jatayu dhad karke he fell on the ground. And then when he fell on the ground, he was not able to resist Ravana. Ravana took Sita and he flew to Lanka. Right? Jatayu was weeping, crying. But then what happened is Sita had told Jatayu that please tell Ram that Ravana has kidnapped me. Please tell Ram. Abhi he was about to leave his breath. He was about to die. But because Sita had told Jatayu that please tell Ram that Ravana has kidnapped me, he was trying to hold his breath. He was trying to कि जब तक राम को मैं ना मिलूं, जब तक मैं राम को ये न्यूज ना दूं, मैं ये बॉडी नहीं छोड़ सकता. I cannot die. So he was holding his breath. He was holding his breath. And then when Ram and Lakshman came home, they found that Sita was not there. Ram asked Lakshman, where is Sita? He said, I had told her not to cross this magic circle, but she crossed. Yeah, why did you come to save me? I told you not to leave Sita. But he told her that Sita Mai was not, she was insisting कि मुझे आपको जाके सेव करना है, आप बहुत बड़े प्रॉब्लम में हो, प्लीज मुझे आप उनको, he was telling Lakshman that save Ram, इसके लिए मुझे जाना पड़ा. Otherwise I was not going to leave. But then Ram understood it was because of Sita he had to leave Sita alone, and all this thing happened. Then they both were searching Sita, where are you, Sita? Ram was very aggrieved. Lakshman was also very aggrieved. Both were very lot of tension because in the forest there were a lot of Rakshasas. Very, 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 very a lot of under tension. And then they found Jatayu. Then Jatayu told them that I tried, my dear Lord, I'm so sorry. I couldn't protect Sita from Ravana, but I was waiting to tell you this message that Sita has been kidnapped by Ravana. Then Ram thanks Jatayu for giving this message, and then Jatayu leaves his body. That means Jatayu dies, and then Ram performs his last rites. Okay, उसके अंतिम संस्कार राम खुद करते हैं जटायु के, and then they go further in search of Sita. Okay, so then let us see the qualities of Jatayu, Bharat. We saw, right? They completely surrendered to Lord Ram, right? Jatayu also gave away his life, right, for Lord Ram. He did not bother कि अगर मैं fight मारूंगा तो मैं मर जाऊंगा. No, they loved Lord Ram. They loved Sita. This should be our love towards God, right? Unconditional, selfless love, right? This is how we should love God. When you all chant, this is how should be our mood towards Krishna. Yeah, that Krishna, I love you. Please give me intelligence to love you more. right? Please give me intelligence to surrender to you. Please engage me in your service. That should be our mood when we chant, right? इसके आगे का स्टोरी हम लोग अगली बार सुनेंगे. आगे के स्टोरी में when राम meets हनुमान, and हनुमान तो मुझे पता है आप सबको तो बहुत पसंद है, right? So हनुमान, mighty हनुमान की स्टोरी. So question to all of you: can we love God unconditionally and selflessly?
This is the poll.
अरे पोल मेरे को डालने को समय ही नहीं मिला, so I did not do that.
Yes, ma'am.
So how so you can share your ideas to how you can love God unconditionally. Any examples can you can
Mataji, what is meant by unconditionally?
unconditionally का मतलब ये है कि जैसे आप जैसे अगर बोलोगे कि मैं ये करूंगा अगर आप मेरे को ये दोगे तो, लेकिन अनकंडीशनली मीन्स आप मुझे कुछ दोगे या कुछ ना भी दोगे फिर भी मैं आपको प्यार करूंगा, राइट? आप आपकी मम्मी आपको प्यार करती है, आपको अच्छा मस्त मस्त खाना खिलाती है, आपको मस्त मस्त चीजें लाके देती है, तो क्या मम्मी बोलती है कि मैं आपको तभी दूंगी? राइट? सो अनकंडीशनली मतलब सेल्फलेसली.
कभी कभी मम्मी करती है ऐसा, अगर तुम ऐसा करोगे तो तुम्हें चॉकलेट दूंगी, ऐसे कभी कभी मम्मी करती है.
हाँ वो करना पड़ता है ना, आप लोग सुनते नहीं हो ना. तो कृष्ण भगवान भी ऐसे ही करते हैं. ये अच्छा मेरा बच्चा ऐसे कर रहा है तो चलो मैं भी उसको थोड़ा सा, ही विल आल्सो रेसिप्रोकेट, राइट? सो कृष्ण भगवान भी करते हैं ऐसा. लेकिन हमारा प्रेम कृष्ण भगवान को ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं आपका राउंड तभी चैंट करूंगा जब अगर मेरा क्लास में फर्स्ट रैंक आएगा तो, या मुझे टैबलेट मिलेगा तो, या मुझे कुछ मिलेगा तो. हमारा प्यार कृष्ण भगवान को ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए.
माताजी, today's quiz.
This is not there beta today. What we will do is after we will have one more session. Listen carefully. एक second. Listen carefully. 1 second. We will have one more session और उसके बाद हम लोग पूरा रामायण पे क्विज लेंगे. So you all listen very carefully. Okay? The entire story listen very carefully. और end में हम एक बड़ा क्विज देंगे. Okay? So we are almost end of our session. So I hope everyone knows the activity जो हमने बोला है. I will repeat it again. In the first week of May, we are going to have an activity wherein each child will speak for 3 minutes. This 3 minutes he has to speak on a story of Ramayan. आप कोई भी story उठाओ, कोई भी incident उठाओ, and then you have to speak for 3 minutes. आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो, आप इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हो. You can talk in the language that you are comfortable with. आप पपेट शो कर सकते हो, आप प्रेजेंटेशन कर सकते हो, आप सोलो ड्रामा कर सकते हो, आप सिर्फ स्पीच कर सकते हो. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can do. By end of this week, end of next week, please let me know. By Friday, please let me know who is doing what and how are you doing.
Mataji, can I tell you now?
Then everyone will know what you're doing. You can keep it as a suspense.
I will message you.
Okay. ठीक है, तो सभी लोग मुझे I will tell you by what date you have to tell me. एक second. So by 23rd of April, you let me know what you are going to do. ठीक है?
माताजी, on एकादशी.
एकादशी है क्या 23rd को?
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है, 23rd 24 तक मुझे बताओ आप लोग क्या करने वाले हो. Okay? And then later on still you will get some 8-10 days to prepare. ठीक है? And Lord Ram will be very pleased that my so little young beautiful Krishna kids are going to talk about me. He's going to be very happy. Yeah.
Mataji, I can see on YouTube. On next Sunday we have class on live on YouTube.
Next Sunday.
Yes, Mataji, I can see the link.
फिर रोज़वी दीदी ने बनाया होगा, मुझे पता नहीं.
Could you send me the link of the channel, YouTube channel?
Yes. Who is that?
Tithi.
I will send you the link of YouTube channel.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Can you send it on the group of Krishna Kids?
I will send it. I will send it.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Abhinay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Bye
Okay, so
Mata.
we will
Hare
close
Krishna,
the
Mataji.
session. Everyone, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Hare Krishna ji.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. So everyone, anyone has any questions on this activity?
No. No, Mataji.
Okay, good.
Bye, Mataji.
Okay, chalo bye. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna beta.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
Bye. Hare Krishna Krish, कैसा है तू?
Mataji, मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हो?
हाँ, और नरोत्तम कैसा है?
वो भी ठीक है.
ठीक है? तू संभालता है उसको?
हाँ, माताजी.
गुड गुड गुड. अच्छा लगा तेरे को देख के बहुत दिनों के बाद. पिछले बार भी आया था तू, लेकिन मेरे को याद नहीं. Yes, beta, Dakshita, you can leave, my dear.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Bye, Aditi.
Bye, Mataji.
Aji.
Bye, Nityansh. Hare
Mataji, I have a
Krishna.
doubt.
Yes, yes, ask us.
Mataji, means we have to prepare it and join on the YouTube link. So on the means live, so we will perform at that time.
Yes, yes, yes. You will it will be on YouTube. It will be live on YouTube, and that event you can share it with everyone, your friends, your relatives. आपको जिसके साथ share करना है उसके साथ आप share कर सकते
But how you will play it?
हो. So we will join on Zoom and we will make this Zoom link live on YouTube.
Okay. Bye, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Beta, Hare Krishna.
Bye, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Bye.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Bye,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna.
Bye,
Bye.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Bye, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Bye, Nupura. Nupura आता ready ना पुढच्या इव्हेंटला?
Bye, Krishna.
Yes Mataji.
हाँ.
Very excited.
Okay.
Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
हाँ, हरे कृष्णा केश, कैसे हो आप? अच्छा लगा आपको देख के. कैसे हो आप? यहाँ पे गर्मी है, बहुत सारी बहुत गर्मी है. हाँ, आप फुल स्लीव्स पहन के बैठे हो, देखिए मेरे को गर्मी हो रहा है. बाय विदिशा, कशी आहेस तू?
हा माताजी, ती मस्त आहे.
हा.
माताजी, मला एक हे विचारायचं होतं की कॉम्पिटिशन जे आहे ना त्याच्यामध्ये म्हणजे फक्त रामाची जी स्टोरी आहे त्याच्यावरतीच बोलायचं आहे ना?
हो, रामाची कुठली पण स्टोरी, तिला शबरी म्हणू दे, कुठली पण म्हणू दे.
अच्छा, ओके. त्याच्यावरती म्हणजे तिला रेडी करायचं आणि ती म्हणजे प्रेझेंट करायचं ना?
हा हा, म्हणजे 3 मिनिटं म्हणजे 10 वाक्य जरी बोलली तरी चालेल, कारण की छोटी आहे ना, तर ती 8-10 वाक्य बोलली तरी चालेल, असं काही नाही. आणि तिला हिंदीमध्ये बोलू देत, मराठीत बोलू देत. आपलं मराठी तर नाही चालणार, पण हिंदी किंवा इंग्लिश कुठली लँग्वेज चालेल.
हा, ठीक आहे, चालेल माताजी.
फक्त माताजी मला ना आधी सांगा तुम्ही शनिवारपर्यंत ती कशावरती बोलते, म्हणजे काय रिपिटेशन शक्यतो आपण जमलं तर अवॉइड करूया असं.
ओके, ठीक आहे माताजी, चालेल.
कारण की 40 मुलं आहेत ना, आता किती पार्टिसिपेट करतात ते बघायला पाहिजे, कारण की अगर रिपिटेशन झालं तर मग आपण अवॉइड करायचं बघूया.
ठीक आहे माताजी, चालेल. हरे
ओके.
कृष्ण माताजी.
हरे कृष्णा.
Mataji.
हाँ, राम बोलो.
Mataji, we can take any topic from Ramayana ना?
Yes, you can take topics from Ramayana. You can also take learnings from Ramayana. मतलब आगे पर्सनालिटी भी ले सकते हो रामायण की, और वो पर्सनालिटी पे भी बात कर सकते हो. मतलब जैसे आपने सिंपल सी बात में जटायु की पर्सनालिटी पे भी आप बात कर सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आपको स्टोरी ही बोलना है, आप प्रेजेंटेशन कर सकते हो, आप किसी के पर्सनालिटी पे बात कर सकते हो, आप हनुमान की एक स्टोरी बता सकते हो, हनुमान का पावर बता सकते हो, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. अब विभीषण की स्टोरी बता सकते हो, विभीषण का क्वालिटीज बता सकते हो, भरत का क्वालिटी बता सकते हो, कुछ भी. एनीथिंग, एनी कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम रामायण, एनी स्टोरी फ्रॉम रामायण, व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक.
Okay Mataji.
जस्ट लेट मी नो इन एडवांस. तो क्या होगा कि हम एज फार एज पॉसिबल रिपीटेशन अवॉइड करेंगे. मतलब अगर आप जो कर रहे हो, अगर कोई और भी वही कर रहा है, तो फिर हम उसको देखेंगे कि हम लोग अवॉइड करें कि सेम स्टोरी ना आए.
Yeah Mataji, I can tell you in 2-3 days what can I perform.
No problem. Hare Krishna, Sharmishta.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Sharmishta, would you also like to participate? You can switch on your video so that I can see you.
Hello.
Yeah, Sharmishta, maybe would you also like to participate in this activity? Did you hear the activity? Okay, no worries, Sharmishta. You can call me if you wish. Okay, Nityansh has my number. Okay, beta. And then you can call me if you wish.
Okay, Mataji.
See, the thing is that I think you joined last time also, no?
Yeah.
And today's whole session you attended?
No, in the first I was not there. Later I came.
Acha.
For-
Okay. No worries. It will be good, Sharmishta, if you can attend this. This is all fun activity we try to do here. And it is just a 3 minutes talk. Aram se you can talk. And if you don't know, I will help you also. Okay? Just 3 minutes talk. Koi bhi bol sakta. I can help you with a nice story and you can tell the story. Okay? You take my number from Nityansh and message me. I will add you to the group also.
Okay, Mataji.
So Aditri, all set for the activity?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, good. Okay, Keshav, you are there? Achha, no worries, Prabhuji, if he is not around, that's fine.
Yeah, say. Yeah, he is here only, Mataji.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Keshav.
Yes, Mataji.
हाँ केशव, अभी हमको है ना एक स्टोरी बोलनी है राम के बारे में. ओके, ठीक है, वो आप प्रिपेयर करना. 3 मिनट का हमको स्टोरी बोलना है राम के बारे में. कोई भी स्टोरी आपको जो पसंद आई वो, ठीक है. और फिर हम और एक मस्त एक्टिविटी करेंगे मई में. ओके
Okay.
ओके
Mataji.
चलो, टेक केयर. हाँ,
थैंक यू माताजी.
ओके, चलो, बाय
Krishna
एवरीवन.
Mataji. Bye, Mataji.
बाय बेटा, टेक केयर.
Bye, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Bye, Hare Krishna, take care. I'm ending the meeting. Bye Piyush, bye Keshav, bye Aditri, bye
Bye,
Vidisha.
Hare Krishna.